Understanding, clean the mouthpiece. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: clean the mouthpiece. This expression can be taken literally, but it also holds various implications in different contexts. Join us as we dive into its meanings and usage, making it a breeze for you to understand and apply in your daily conversations. At its core, clean the mouthpiece refers to the act of physically cleaning the part of an instrument, device, or equipment that comes into contact with the mouth. This is common practice for maintaining hygiene and ensuring the functionality of items like musical instruments, e.g., trumpets, clarinets, telephones, or even sports equipment. It's about removing germs, dirt, or any buildup to prevent health issues and maintain quality. Interestingly, the phrase can also be used figuratively in everyday English. It might signify preparing oneself to speak. Literally, cleaning up one's language or tone before starting a conversation, especially if the discussion requires clarity, respect, and understanding. This metaphorical use emphasizes the importance of clear and respectful communication. Clean the mouthpiece also serves as a crucial reminder in the contexts of health and hygiene. It underscores the importance of cleanliness in preventing the spread of infections and maintaining overall health, especially in communal settings or when using shared devices. Depending on the cultural context and setting, the phrase might have specific connotations or be used in particular scenarios. It's always insightful to understand how such expressions adapt and change their meanings across different cultures and communities, showcasing the richness and flexibility of the English language. We hope this exploration of clean the mouthpiece has been enlightening. Whether it's taking care of a musical instrument, preparing for a meaningful conversation, or ensuring communal health, this phrase encompasses a range of valuable practices and insights. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying ideas, emotions, and actions effectively. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.